Hello everyone, let's discuss some important questions for the UPLT grade exam. The first question on your screen: who wrote the novel Midnight Children? The right answer will be Salman Rushdie. Actually, he wrote this novel in 1981 and he also got Booker Prize for this novel in same year in 1981. Kindly note down these 2 points also. Next question: the poem The Wasteland is written by T.S. Eliot in which year? In 1922. These two questions are much important. The Wasteland by T.S. Eliot in which year? In 1922. Next question on your screen: who is the author of the Canterbury Tales? Geoffrey Chaucer. Geoffrey Chaucer is also known as the father of English poetry, and age of Chaucer is known behind him. The age of Chaucer from 1340 to 1400. What is the name of the protagonist in the Jane Austen's Pride and Prejudice? Right answer will be Elizabeth Bennet. Option number A. Option number A, Elizabeth Bennet. Next question on your screen: the play Waiting for Godot is written by Samuel Beckett. Samuel Beckett is also associated with the Theatre of Absurd. Kindly note down in 19th century movement, Theatre of Absurd. Next question: who wrote the novel To Kill a Mockingbird? Answer will be Harper Lee. To Kill a Mockingbird, Harper Lee. Next question on the screen: the poem Ozymandias is written by. The right answer will be Percy Shelley. P.B. Shelley in 1818. P.B. Shelley was a romantic poet. Next question: who is the author of the theory of the laser class? Right answer will be Thorstein Veblen. P.B. Shelley was a romantic poet. Next question: the novel 1984 is written by George Orwell. George Orwell, one more important novel, that is Animal Farm in 1945. Next question: who wrote the play Pygmalion? The right answer G.B. Shaw. George Bernard Shaw. G.B. Shaw, 20th century author, modern author. Next question: the poem The Raven is written by Edgar Allan Poe. Next: who is the author of The Picture of Dorian Gray? Oscar Wilde. Oscar Wilde is the author of The Picture of Dorian Gray. Kindly take the screenshot. You can also take the screenshot by pausing the video. These are very important questions for the UPLT grade exam. Next question: the play Romeo and Juliet is written by William Shakespeare. William Shakespeare is the right answer. Who is the author of Metamorphosis? Franz Kafka is the author of Metamorphosis, and Romeo and Juliet is written by William Shakespeare. Next question: the novel The Lord of the Rings is written by J.R.R. Tolkien. Next question on your screen: who wrote the poem The Fairy Queen? Edmund Spenser. Actually, Edmund Spenser wrote this poem in 1590 to 1596. In this poem, he introduced Spenserian stanza. This is also important. In which poem Edmund Spenser introduced Spenserian stanza? The right answer will be Fairy Queen. He wrote 1, 2, 3 part of Fairy Queen in 1590 and 4, 5, 6 part of Fairy Queen in 1596. Next question: the play A Doll's House is written by. Right answer will be Henrik Ibsen. Next question: who is the author of The Stranger? The right answer will be Albert Camus. Thanks for watching. Kindly like, share and subscribe the channel for such helpful videos. These questions are very important for UPLT grade exam practice. You can also take the screenshot by pausing the video. Thanks for watching.